everyone. Good afternoon. Hi Sunita. Hi Shruti. My voice is audible, right? Hi everyone. Hi Sheila. Hi Gomati. Hi. Hi Sunanda. So today live session is all about under 10,000 budget. So for those who are looking for pocket friendly earrings, necklace or choker and pendant, so we are back with under 10k items that I'm going to show you, and all of those are ready to dispatch items. In case if you like any product, you can take screenshot of that particular item and send this on this WhatsApp number that I've posted down, which is 6289596105. Or else you can straight away DM us on our Instagram page. And yeah, so आज हम लोग दिखाएंगे सारे 10,000 के products, and those includes earrings, stud, choker, necklace and few pendants, including Swarovski stones as well. And you can wear them as a daily wear also, so perfect choice to make. So alright, so let's start. Okay, so first I'll show you this beautiful 14 karat earring, which is in flower shape, kind of a tulip. So this is what it looks like, and I'm sure इसके पहले भी मैंने आपको दिखाया था लाइव में, but this we have got restocked. And yeah, I'll just show you how you can wear it. And this tulip earring has got a Bombay screw. So this is how the screw looks like. This is the back, and I'll show you from the front. This is how it looks, and it's very easy to wear. Basically this is how it's gonna look like. So you all can take a screenshot to see if you like it or not. You can share it with your relatives, friends, or for anyone you want to choose. This is how it's going to look like, and this is a very cute one. I'll show you. This is how it looks, and another one as well. This is how it looks. It's very cute and pretty. You can wear it as a daily wear also, तो आप इसको daily wear के लिए भी पहन सकते हो. It's perfect. Plus this fits to your budget, so you do not need to break the bank. And this is how it will look. It's that affordable. Price is only 6,000 with BIS hallmark. This is 14 karat gold with BIS hallmark. BIS hallmark is given back of the screw. So abhi light with I can't show you, but it's fine. I can try. Yeah, over here it's given, so I know it live may I can show you properly. If you want to see the BIS hallmark thing, I can click a picture and I can send you on your WhatsApp number or on Instagram. So this is how it looks. Price is only 6,000. So take a screenshot if you want to place an order for this tulip earring, which is also very cute. Okay, next I'll show you this red flower drop earring, which is amazing. The detailings are so beautiful, as you all can see. In case you want to customize the beads or stones, you want to change the stones also, you don't want red, you want green, or maybe you want purple, so we'll customize that. And this is 14 karat gold with BIS hallmark. Yes ma'am, this is gold, 14 karat gold with BIS hallmark, and you all can see this. The stones are semi-precious, Polki stones, and I'll show you how this will look. This is how it will look if you wear it from the far, and if I go up close, this is how it will look. Also, this has got Bombay screw again. I'll show you. This is the Bombay screw. You can wear them wherever you want, however you want. So this is what it will look. This is 14 karat gold. Yes, this is 14 karat gold with BIS hallmark. So you all can take a screenshot of this earring. And if you want to customize, we'll customize and get it done within 15 to 20 days dispatch time. अगर आपको early चाहिए, you want more early days, like maybe in 10 days, so we'll make it on prior days. So this this is how it will look. And yeah, take a screenshot of this earring. Price is 9,500. Alright, I'll show you the next one which we have, and this is the choker, which is also perfect for the gift purpose. If you're looking for a gifting thing, then this is a good choice. We also have this in pink stone as well, like the flower in pink or red also we have. Just have a look. This is 14 karat flower pendant. The kind of pendant with the cute pendant. We have this in choker, and this is very pretty. Price is only 7,500. So take a screenshot of this choker, and at the back the door is been given. So yeah, this is how it will look from the 360 view. But yeah, 7,500 is the price of this choker, and if you want to customize, we'll customize and make it done as per your preferences. Next I'll show you this flower pendant, which is very pretty, and this is our customer's order which we are going to dispatch. So this is how it looks. Beautiful 14 karat flower earring with a red stone in the middle. And if you have a chain, and if you're looking for a pendant in a medium or a big size, then this is perfect. So you can wear it with any chain you want. Right now I can't show you, but it's fine. You can see it right here. It's very too pretty. Semi-precious gold stones, and the back I'll show you that as well. This is how it looks. The back and the front. So I can take a screenshot of this pendant. Price is 9,800. With BIS hallmark. Everything is with BIS hallmark. So yeah, price for this pendant is only 9,800. So take a screenshot if you want to place an order for this. और अगर आपको रेड स्टोन की जगह ग्रीन स्टोन चाहिए, और you want some other stone also, we'll customize. Instead of more of a white, you want more of a pink or red or maybe green also, we'll customize that. 9,800 is the price for this. Alright, next I show you the prettiest Swarovski ruby stone pendant, which has total 2 rings, and you can see the 2 rings. Now I'll show you the pendant. This is the pendant, how it looks, with 2 rings from the both side, left and right. And this is semi-precious Swarovski stones with BIS hallmark, 14 karat gold. I'll show you the back as well. This is how the back looks, and the front. You can wear this pendant with any black bead chain as well, or with any simple minimalist chain. This will, enhance your look if you are going for the daily wear thing, or for pendant. As a pendant, this is a perfect, choice to make, because this fits with any chain you want to have, either with black beads or simple chain. So take a screenshot of this ruby stone pendant, which is Swarovski stone. Price is only 7,500. So take a screenshot if you want to place an order for this pendant, and send us on our Instagram page or the number that I've posted on as a WhatsApp number. And if you want to customize in green stone or maybe pink stone, maybe other stone as well if you like it, so we'll customize in that one. So yeah, price is only 7,500. Next I'll show you the drop earring, which we have in 2 options, one baby pink and one in fluorescent green. So first I'll show you the pink one, this right here. This is a flower drop earring in 14 karat gold with crystal pink stone. Price is 9,000. And another one we have in fluorescent green. You all can see this, right? This is in fluorescent green color, which is very pretty as it looks. And the other one we have in baby pink stone, crystal pink stone. So we have two different with different beads and the stones, but the same earring. And both has Bombay screw. So this is how it looks. Price is only 9,000. So take a screenshot if you want to place an order for this earring. Next we have this changeable pendant with 3 options that we have got. I'll show you that. So this is the one option. This is a whole pendant, and the beads you can change. So back में it's given the hook. I can show you the side hook. This is a hook, and you can easily take it out and put it whatever options you have. Like we have these 3 options. One in yellow, the other one we have in pink, and the third we have in green, as you all can see. So total 3 option, that is total 3 changeable beads you are getting with this pendant, and you can change it. And if you don't want the beads, you can just go with this single pendant alone as well without the beads. But if you want to add something extra with the beads, you can go ahead with this or with any other beads that we have. So you're getting 3 beads that we have, one in yellow, another one in pink, and third one is in green. So this price for this changeable beads, it's 6,500. Take a screenshot if you want to place an order for this pendant, because you're getting like total 4 benefits. One, without beads also you can wear it. Second, you can wear it with according to your beads or anything that we have it now. So you can style them accordingly. Price is only 6,500 for this pendant. So take a screenshot if you want to place an order for this. Next I'll show you, this is a stud and my most favorite color, which is in light baby pink, and even you will like it, the color of this. This is how it looks, which is in square box, pattern and all. So I'll just show you how this stud will look, and this is how it looks. So all can see, and this is damn too perfect for the daily wear. For those who are looking for a light minimalist stud, this is the one. And अगर आपको pink stone में नहीं चाहिए, you want in red, green stone, or maybe your favorite color stone, we'll customize it. So this is a pink stud in square box shape. Price is only 8,500 with Bombay screw, and this comes with BIS hallmark. So take a screenshot of this earring. Price is only 8,500. Now next we have this white pearl chain mala, and this is very pretty as it sounds. This is how it looks. This is white pearl mala chain with beads and stone. So this is 14 karat gold with BIS hallmark, and this is very pretty. आप देख सकते हो the pearls are very premium quality with the chain as well, and I'll show you the back also. This is how the back looks. So the hook is given, you can like wear them accordingly you can want. And yeah, this is 20-inch chain. So this is how it looks with the sea green beads over here as a top. So this is white pearl mala chain with beads and stone, 14 karat gold with BIS hallmark, 20-inch, and price for this is 10,500. So take a screenshot if you want to place an order for this mala chain. 10,500 is the price for this. Next we have this green drop earring, kind of an angle earring only. So, very easy to wear and convenient. And this is also a lightweight earring, so You don't have to worry about the thing that your ear is gonna make it short, but this is, I'll show you maybe. Okay, so आप देख सकते हो, this is a given, this string is given, and you can just go and stop. This is easy to wear, and you can change the beads also. If you don't want this beads, we'll make it done in any other color you want, something in your preferences color. So yeah, it's very pretty one. Price for this tangled earring is only 6,500 with BIS hallmark. Next, I'll show you this tulip earring, which is as amazing as it sounds. But yeah, as all can see, it's a tulip earring in a dangled shape. 14 karat gold with BIS hallmark. And I'll show you how the bag looks, and this is how the bag looks. This is how the bag looks. The locket, that is, the lock is given at the back, and you can just go and I'll just show you maybe. So this is how you can wear it, and you can walk. This is how it looks, as you all can see. And this is also perfect for those who are looking for something in lightweight but also cute and minimalist thing. So I'll just tell you कि आप ये ले सकते हो without even thinking. This is very pretty. First of all, this is in green color, and we also have in variety colors as well, in pink, purple, light yellow. Even sky blue will also work. So this is as pretty as it looks. Anyways, so just take a screenshot if you like this earring, or you want to place an order for this, or maybe you want to customize. Price for this tulip earring is only 6,000 with BIS hallmark. Next, I'll show you the ring, and this is a very pretty ring, which is a solitaire ring. So yeah, this is how it looks. This is in solitaire ring, and yeah, stones are semi-precious Swarovski stones. So I'll just show you. This is how the back, and this comes with the size. So you have to tell your size so that we can make accordingly that. And the size that I'm wearing is 36. Oh sorry, this is the serial number. Alright, I'll just check with the size and I'll let you know. Ma'am, all the price, all the rates that we have showed now or before, those are in offered price. So yeah, the gold rate hasn't been decreased, and just maybe prices what we have just told on the live, all these are in low rate. So that's why we came up with under 10k under items which are ready to dispatch, including this. So this is solitaire ring with Swarovski semi-precious stone, and this comes with BIS hallmark. And this is for those who are looking for office wear, something informal, but also when they want to look at like very classy and yet minimal. So this is the one you're looking, and this is very pretty. Also, price for this solitaire ring is only 6,500. This is affordable, plus this is lightweight and perfect for daily wear, which also comes with BIS hallmark. 6,500 is the price for this ring. Next, I'll show you. This is also a very minimalist one, ring with the Swarovski stones. And this is how it looks. So I just show you the details of this ring. This is how it looks. The minimalist ring, and perfect for daily wear or for those who are looking for something formal. This is a good choice to make and to purchase. So this is how it looks. obviously I told this is, you know, even you can wear this in your office and you want something to gift this to your special one, this is also the perfect choice to make. And the size you have to tell, again the price I'll tell you. Price for this daily wear ring is only 5,500. so if you want to place an order, hurry up, because this will, I know this will sold out in no minutes just after the live, because you have been getting our DMs filled with this ring, so it's better to make an early choice. The size you need to tell us so that we can proceed with the order. And the gold weight, if you want to know the gold weight, kindly take a screenshot of this ring and send us on our Instagram page or the number. We'll share you all the details, including making charges and wastage and everything. So yeah, price is 5,500 for this minimalist daily ring. And this is how the back looks. It's the all-rounder. Even the earlier one that I showed you, I'll show you that also. And this is the solitaire ring that I wore it. This is also perfect. Both are like perfect. And you can go with the both ones as well. This is also for the daily wear. Even this is also for daily wear. But this comes with a solitaire ring, which adds more effortless chic. And this one is for the one if you're looking with less of stones, but more of a gold, then this is the perfect choice to make. Okay, so I'll tell the price for this ring. Price is only 5,500 and price for this is 6,500. Both has semi-precious Swarovski stones, which comes with BIS hallmark. So you can take a screenshot of this both ring. Okay, so in case if you have missed the live or you have came later, you can go just after the live ending. I'll post this on our feed so that you can do not miss it for those who are coming now, because I know बहुत लोग लेट से join किए हैं. Both look good in same finger. Yes, in any finger you can wear it, ma'am. It doesn't matter whether it is ring finger or little finger or middle finger, anywhere. So yeah, because this is made for those who are looking for a minimalist ring. Wait please for the ring. So you need to actually send a picture or the screenshot of this particular item to our Instagram page or the number, so that we can share you all the details including weight and everything. Sorry, we do not have COD. It's either UPI, bank transfer, or payment link for the credit card users, or this kind of, yeah. So we have these 4 options. Alright, so thank you for joining our live. For those who have missed it, kindly go and check on our feed. We are going to post this live video right now. So yeah, thank you.